Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add more markets in Shopify. All right, let's begin. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look at the left panel. From there, click on Markets to view your existing markets. On the top right corner, click Create Market to start setting up a new one. Begin by giving your market a clear name so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose the regions or countries you want this market to cover, depending on where you plan to sell. After that, select the currency that matches your target region. This step is important because it helps customers feel comfortable shopping in their local currency. Now, choose which products or catalogs you want to offer in this market, making sure they fit local preferences. Then, set up the domain URL and select the languages you want to support for better accessibility. Next, configure taxes and duties according to local regulations to avoid pricing issues. Finally, choose a theme that suits the market and click Saved to finish. So, that's basically how you can add more markets in Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.